Okay, this is kind of a surprise birthday. It's a little surprise birthday party for Chinonso. Nwa Chinonso Eduputa. It's like a little surprise, yeah, from daddy to you. You got love over here. A big surprise for you. Everything I do go say it. I come with more guy, but then, you know. Nah. Maybe I has to do something. Yes, so. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chinonso. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 May the good Lord bless you. 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 Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Nnam, I just thought I should surprise you once for the big 15-year-old, okay? It's not easy. I did this for how wonderful you are, how good you are in school, how respectful you are. I say keep it up, okay?
Yes.
There'll be more coming as you grow. I just want to surprise you with this little gesture. This hotel is booked for you. You can swim for the 24 hours, with your sister. So have fun, enjoy your moment. You have it till 11 tomorrow. Okay? All this pizza, all this drink, cake for you, everything is all for you. And we can share with you. Okay? So all this was decorated. When I say I was coming home a little early, this is what I came home to do. Alright? So enjoy your 15th birthday. Alright? How do you feel?
Very, 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 very happy.
Very, very happy,
A
right?
surprise.
A big surprise, right?
Yeah, like, I don't know, why would it be here?
Oh my God.
Alright, well, you enjoy. So we'll always be there for you, okay?
Yes.
Like
Thank
normal.
you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So everybody play the role. So,
Thank you, Chichi. Thank you, Mama.
even though Chichi don't know nothing.
I mean, I kind of do.
You don't know nothing. So why do
did.
you think about what happened today? Any prayer for your brother?
Such a big surprise.
Yeah. I
For good
pray
protection.
that you live long life, long journey, all the way to hundreds, following Dad's footsteps,
Amen.
and go on the right path,
Amen.
following Jesus.
Amen. Ma, kaya balon beli balon wang.
Ai, ana m enye Chineke ekene n'isi isi nke Chineke tiri ahụ n'elu ahụ. Ọ ngọzi nyere ya ka ọ bụ.
Yeah.
Mgbe nọrọ na-afụ ihe ọ na-eme.
Yeah.
O wee na-enye m aṅụrị. Wee na-asị na Chineke ya agọziri m nwa n'ihi ogologo ndụ na ezigbo ahụ isi.
Amen.
Aga m n'ihu ya bụ nke mgbe niile n'ime ndụ ya.
Amen.
Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'aha Jizọs.
Amen. So what are you gonna pray for your son?
Just to continue growing and being smart and intelligent and
Yes.
just continue to be the best man he can be.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
pray that God continue to lead you on the right path. So you continue to do well in school. so that at the end of it, you become the great person ever. Okay? Just always mind what you do. Respect your elders as you continue to respect. Like as I see you, like I will keep advising you and telling you that respect is a reciprocal. You keep doing what you do. Don't look at other people or what they do. They're great or whatever they do. You are you. You were created differently. Okay? Another person is that person, you or you. So keep striving and be the best you can. We continue to pray for you, continue to guide you as parents. Alright? So future and tomorrow is the best for you. Alright? Enjoy yourself.
Thank you,
Enjoy your
Daddy.
15th and more.
Amen.
Love you.
I love you too. Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chinonso. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, make a wish and cut your cake. Ah, don't cry.
I'm not.
Yay!
That is such a big surprise. Big boy.
Okay, cut your cake.
Okay.
You can bring it down then cut it if you don't want to be on the bed.
It's okay. It's okay. J
E
S U
S.
Jesus.
Awesome. Yay!
Wow.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Well done. Well done.
Wow.
Well done.
My gosh.
My madam. My little madam.